Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 1995 70 horse Yamaha. This is long shaft. It is a tiller. It does have tilt and trim right here on the side. Compression came back at 90 psi on all three cylinders. New spark plugs, new impeller, fuel filter, lower unit lube. It was pressure tested good. Carbs were cleaned. We'll go ahead and fire this up for you here. I am going to have to turn on the fan. This is two-stroke. It does smoke. We've got the winter mix going on, so we'll go ahead and turn this up. My foot is soaked. All right then. Neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.